you have already spent so much money on your cruise, do you really want to spend more? Yesterday, we enjoyed a day of spending no extra money to have a great day, while today, we're gonna do the exact opposite and lean into spending money on everything we do throughout the day. Which is better? Find out right here.
Wearing the Save the Animal shirt because we gotta save something since we're not saving money today.
Fun fact, towel animals are free. Unless you take them home with you, and then you'll get a surprise charge when you get home. Anyways, our first activity is Deal or No Deal.
We're gonna spend our money on Deal or No Deal. This lighting in the behind me sucks. Bought 3 cards. We have these cases on the cards we're gonna match to the numbers that are open on the stage. And there is a chance, according to the number on the bottom, that we could actually be the ones up there playing. One could only hope. You don't pay, you don't win. So that's what we're hoping to do today. What'd you get, Ian?
Mudslide. Virgin mudslide. I'm boring, I know. It's like a not super icy milkshake.
Is it better than water?
Right now it is. Yeah.
Pay for your drinks. It's better than water right this moment.
Outside of waters, basic juices, teas, and coffees, it all cost extra. Anywhere from sodas all the way to top shelf liquors, you can expect to pay more. You could buy the drinks a la carte or through an unlimited drinks package. Norwegian Cruise Line offers their free at sea promotion with drinks included, but it's actually not free because we paid about $600 extra in gratuities for the free drinks package. Since you all know I don't drink myself, hopefully we'll make some of the money back on this Deal or No Deal game.
Boys, and put your hands together for your host, your cruise director, it's Richard Madden.
Hello, everybody. They said the banker will be nice today. You can see your card number at the bottom of your Deal or No Deal card, so you can keep track of those numbers. Don't forget to make some noise when you see them, or ask for that number to come up. I'm looking for card number 1. Who else? 1. 0, I heard 0 over there. Joseph K. You are contestant number 1. A penny. You also follow along, opening all your cases number 1s on all your Deal or No Deal cards. And if you see the same dollar value on your card and same as what's showing up here on the board, that is your first match. So you want me to open. So let's start. Audience, with what number? What do you think? Case number? It's up to you, Jared, to make that decision.
Let's go with 14.
14. Okay. The Valentine's Day number 14. Please make this a good start. $10. Audience, your part is to open all your cases number 14.
Top down.
All of the $200.
Wait, we got a match.
It's okay.
Wait, yeah,
Not
14.
too big
We got
yet.
a match.
So he opened case number 1
$0.50.
with $200. Next number is
Number 17.
number 17 down below. Is it Deal or No Deal, audience? What is it? Deal for you? Okay, my friends are here. No deal. Leslie, what is it? Take the deal. This is your moment. $1,000 could still be yours, but again, there's another part of the story. You will open 3 cases if you continue. How far are you going to go here?
I'm a risk taker, but
Yes?
not in this case, because the deal is better than what the board's showing me. I'm going to take the deal.
Deal, everybody!
So we just finished up with Deal or No Deal, and we didn't go up, which was the unfortunate part. That was what we were hoping for. 3 cards each, 3 people played, and we still didn't get up there. So unlucky. Better luck next time, but we did win a few things. I think Heather won a photo, and I won some instant win thing. We'll redeem it later. We have to redeem it at bingo, so we'll figure out what it is in a moment. But now, on to something new. We're going up to go-karts. This one's one of those that costs $15 a spin, or well, around. But they do allow us to take a GoPro, so we're all strapped up. Hopefully we can do it. We're actually just gonna walk up. We're supposed to make a reservation, but, well, you know us. We're not that savvy. We don't plan that far ahead. We are actually on go-karts in the middle of the sea. That is crazy. I don't know if you can hear me, but
think about that for a second. Yeah, it costs $15, but holy, this is literally what we're doing. Oh, we're moving. Moving slow. I won't lie, this thing zips. It doesn't look fast from the outside, but this thing zips.
I know watching a professional such as myself may make you feel like you want to try this on your next Norwegian cruise, and I do actually recommend it. Try it at least once. All of us had a blast, and if it wasn't so far in the cruise, Ian and I would have considered the $200 unlimited pass. Though, since we didn't, no more go-karts for us for the entire rest of the cruise. But now, it's time to go earn that $15 back in bingo.
Alrighty, so we did the bingo package where we get raffle tickets, instant wins, which I think are like scratchers or something along the line. And then we have a t-shirt, and of course our bingo cards, which we're gonna be playing 3 games. Alrighty, Roger and I are going 50-50 on the highest bingo package, $80. Hopefully we win something, or else this will be real awkward.
And you are going to put it on your forehead. Think about winning, think about the lucky numbers, the winning numbers. Manifest that you're going to win, and then you are going to hold it up, and you are going to shake your card. Shake, 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 shake. There we go. Come on, the faster, the better. And are we ready to begin with our first number? Our first bingo number is 074. 074, 074. If you have it, say, oh yeah.
Off to a bad start.
074.
Lame. How close for you?
Look at that. All right, my dear. Are you feeling lucky?
Yeah, it's 2 away.
Yeah. Come on, Kathy. Kathy, we gotta do more than that. Kathy. Oh, gosh. You only get half the money now, Kathy. I'm taking the other half.
If I win, I'm running all the way around. I guarantee you. We're claiming bingo, and I'm running all the way down the stage, all the way back here dancing.
So I call this game our B.O.
The corner. I didn't even get one in the corner. We were playing corner bingo, meaning you had to get in the corners. I didn't even get one.
And where are you from?
My name is Julie, and I'm from...
Instant win. If we get 3 of the same, then we win something.
And what do you tell the viewers?
Loser. Oh yeah, you're right. Right here. This is the win. First one. Okay, maybe not the first one. Second one. Maybe not the second one. Third one. All right, I'm gonna shut up. We got $5.
The casino cashier.
Yay! Another $5. So we got out of bingo. It was a loss. We did win the $6 from the scratchers, but it's kind of whatever. Or the insta wins, but whatever. So another thing that you can spend your money on is, of course, gambling. The actual gambling, the traditional method through slot machines. I've kind of lost enough money, so we're just gonna watch Roger lose his money. I mean, win money. Win money. That's what you do at a casino, right?
I don't play, so don't ask me.
Yay, $14. Ooh, the number's climbing. Oh. The best way to play slots is to have no emotion. Stone cold. You won $50. Look at that. Nothing. Does that look like a man who won? Does that look like a man who's watching a man who won?
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Neither do the people. Almost $100.
So an honorable mention on something I could have spent extra money on that I didn't is spa treatments. I'm not too big on getting massages or pampering myself, so I didn't do that today. But I did mention earlier in the series, it's much more expensive to do it on board than on land. Though, with my lack of experience, I'm not too familiar with either option, so you'll have to comment down below. Is it better to do a cruise massage or a land massage? Or no massage, like me?
All right, it's time for dinner, so let's go ahead and get changed. And like that, we are all dressed and ready for dinner. I've heard from other guests that this is the best specialty restaurant aboard the Norwegian Bliss, so we're gonna have to try it out for ourselves. But it is one that you have to dress up a little bit nicer, maybe not as this overkill. I bought this vest and I wanna wear it. So we're gonna dress up a little bit nicer today for the specialty restaurant, but we are all ready. This one should be good. Let's find out and see if it's worth it. Welcome to Ocean Blue. Uh-oh.
What happened to you?
What do you mean what happened to me?
You look almost human today.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe it. Look at this. Look at how this guy is dressed up. That is awesome. You're looking really good.
Thank you. A compliment from Ralph. You don't understand how rare that is. Here's a look at tonight's menu. Looking pretty good, actually. Not sure what we're gonna get, but French fries seems like it's on the menu tonight.
So let's break down how specialty dining works. Yesterday we talked about included food, but specialty restaurants cost extra on top of your cruise. On NCL, they typically have promotions that give you 1 or maybe 2 free specialty dinners on your cruise, and all you have to do is pay the service charge, which is about $8 a meal. If you want to do more, you can pay a cover charge of about $50 a restaurant, or you can go to any of the venues and just pay a la carte. Though some of the prices are a bit high. I'll do a review on all of my dining experiences throughout this voyage in a different video, so for now, in short, this food looks amazing and tastes amazing.
Alrighty, we just got out of Ocean Blue, and can I say that this has been my favorite dining experience on this ship so far? It is so phenomenal. I don't even know how to put into words. It's just worth every penny. I wouldn't say that going to any specialty restaurant is worth it, but this one specifically is worth it. So if you're looking to spend the extra money, go to Ocean Blue. Definitely my highest recommendation. Other than that, usually I'd say no, spending money is not the best option, but that right there, that was, yes, that was worth every penny. Alrighty, so we've made it to the end of the day and the end of our 2-part series where we talked about whether you need to spend money on a cruise or whether you don't, because yesterday we did not spend any money and we answered if less is more, and today we spent more. Is more actually more? Do you get more? Do you need to spend that extra money? Let's talk about that for a quick moment. And let me just say, overall, both days have been phenomenal. But today had been more of a struggle than the free day. It was more harder to find things to spend money on because I don't normally spend money. That's just not my thing. We don't like doing that on this channel. We just like enjoying things that are included in the price of a cruise. But we stepped up and spending all the money in one day was a struggle because you can't just spend money constantly. There's not always things happening. So there's a lot of downtime in between where I was like, okay, I can't talk about anything today, but it's okay. It was fine. We had fun. There was a few things that we got to do, but overall, did we have a better day than we did yesterday? I don't think so. Personally, I think I had a better day when I was just enjoying what was happening in front of me instead of actually having to worry about, oh my gosh, am I going to really spend $50 on a deal or no deal card, or if I have to spend another $60 on bingo or just whatever. And I mean, those things were fun experiences and they were technically gambling, which I don't necessarily recommend doing unless you are of age and are of sound mind to make those decisions, because those are not quality decisions. I mean, they're fun, don't get me wrong, but did I enjoy them? Yes, I did. Even though we didn't win, I was really hoping for a win. I was really hoping to get up on Deal or No Deal. I was really hoping to win bingo or something. I was ready, it never came. Just kind of how that goes, but the experience was fun nevertheless. And you know, the go-karts, the laser tag, those things were cool as well. That was cool as well. And dinner, oh, I mean, you can't go wrong. Ocean Blue, that was my favorite restaurant by far. Just, I mean, did we enjoy the day? Yes, both days were phenomenal, but did we need to spend the money? Truly, I don't think so. It was a much more free-flowing day when we were just being free. you know, when we spent no money, when we did more things. I think less truly is more on some of these cruises. Maybe you sprinkle 1 or 2 things in there to add to the day, but you don't need to do what we did and just spend all the money constantly throughout the day. This video is more expensive, so please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and tell them, instead of spending money themselves, that they should just watch a free video on YouTube about some moron spending money. So anyways, that's my conclusion for the day. Hope you enjoyed this. Enjoy the rest of the Panama Canal series. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't goodbye, but just a see ya real soon.